The annual export volume of EPCB boilers is thousands, with strong production strength. A safe and stable boiler system will make your production more sustainable and your products more competitive. Before the production of the boiler, there is a crucial link in chemical experiments. Only by controlling the quality of the boiler can the safety performance of the boiler be ensured. EPCB boiler uses special steel for boilers such as Q245R or Q345R, and special steel pipes for boiler. These raw materials are rechecked after physical and chemical tests after entering the factory. Only after qualified can it be put into storage. EPCB has the secondary testing certificate issued by Shandong Machinery Industry Physical and Chemical Testing Association, complete testing methods and advanced testing equipment. Then the heat treatment furnace is used to quench and temper the raw materials to make the mechanical properties of the material stronger. And then enter the next production process. There is nothing to worry about the boiler produced in this way.